What's up, it's Matt, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the Shake It to the Max viral choreography. This has been one of the most requested tutorials, so I'm gonna break it down today. Now, this is Davey and Mello's choreography, so shout out to them. I'm gonna help you guys get it down step by step. Let's go. All right, so first thing you're gonna do, a little DJ moment. You're just gonna hit a little chicky chicky on the 80 and. Then you're gonna take this right hip and you're gonna go out with it. And anytime you do like a hip roll, a body roll, you wanna make sure that you isolate your hips. So instead of taking my whole body forward, it's almost like someone pulled my hip, and that's gonna send me into this groove, right? So I'm going right hip and then back. And your hands are just up here. So you're going 7, 80, and you're going 1, you're going 2, one more time, 3. Then you're gonna go an up, down. So you just hit this little clap, clap. Then you're gonna step forward on that right foot. You're gonna go out, ah, baby, shake it to the ah. So there's a few different ways people are doing this. In general, you just wanna have it be really chill. Your feet, you're just stepping and tapping, stepping and tapping. Then again, a little up into interpretation, but the way I do this is I go right with my hips, little Shakira moment there, and you're gonna go cross and right arm, cross and left arm. Good, so you just wanna keep that groove going the whole time. So it's 7, 8, you're going cross and up, cross and up. Then we have this groove, you're gonna go pull, and you're gonna pull it through, and then same thing on the other side. And you wanna really go and then take your body back and then pull it through, and then same thing here. And notice how I'm kind of going high, low, high, low. So little things like that give it a lot more energy and flow. It makes it more interesting to watch. Good. Then the last step, you're gonna bring this right foot in, you can step forward on your left, you're gonna go open, you're gonna close, you're gonna go open, you're gonna close. So the arms here are just open, here, open, but I'm gonna go down into the floor again, and I'm gonna use my knees. So my legs are going out, close, and you really wanna get down into this. Okay, that's the whole dance. Easy, right? I told you I got you. So let's take it from the top now. Put it together slow, starting with the 7, 80, and a 1, 2, 3. You go a top, right foot. A, get nice and low here. Now the hips, you go got, A. One more time, you go pull, get lower, take it down, and A, 2, 3, 4. All right, you're doing good. So now we got the steps. We gotta put some energy to it, and don't forget to perform it too. Have fun with it. You can smile, you can be cocky, you can be funny, whatever your vibe is. So let's go a little faster from the top. 5, 6, 7, a top, 1, 2, 3, a top, A, drop it. 6, 7, you go. 1 and 3 and go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, A. Nice, hope you got it down. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you soon.